Welcome back, smart shoppers, to another episode of Buy Smart. Today, we're putting two popular robot vacuums head-to-head, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Let's see which one fits your cleaning needs and budget best. First up, let's talk about the price. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus comes with a hefty price tag of $869. It's definitely an investment. On the other hand, the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is much more budget-friendly at $267. Reviewers appreciate the Kilgone for offering solid performance without breaking the bank. Now, let's dive into suction power. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus boasts an impressive 4,200 pascal suction, making it a powerhouse for picking up pet hair and debris. Reviewers rave about its ability to handle even the toughest messes. Kilgone, while not as powerful, still offers strong suction that efficiently cleans everyday dust and dirt. It's a good option for those who don't need industrial strength cleaning. When it comes to cleaning duration, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus can run for a solid 180 minutes on a single charge. Reviewers love its long battery life, which is perfect for larger homes. Kilgone, however, offers up to 100 minutes of cleaning time. While it may not last as long, users appreciate its efficiency during its runtime. Navigation and obstacle avoidance are crucial for a smooth cleaning experience. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus uses PreciSense LiDAR navigation for precise mapping and efficient cleaning paths, which reviewers find particularly impressive. Kilgone, with its 360-degree sensor array, does a good job at avoiding obstacles, though it might not be as precise as the Roborock. Customers appreciate its ability to navigate around furniture without getting stuck. Let's not forget the additional features. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus comes with a combined dustbin and water tank, an upgraded brush system, and the ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously with 30 different water flow levels. Reviewers are impressed by its versatility. Kilgone also offers a 2-in-1 vacuuming and mopping system, smart app control, and compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant. Users love its smart features and ease of use. Overall, reviewers find the Roborock Q7 Max Plus to be a powerful and precise cleaning machine, though it comes at a higher price. The Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is praised for its affordability, smart features, and reliable performance, making it a great choice for budget-conscious shoppers. So, there you have it. If you need power and precision and are willing to invest, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus is your go-to. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with smart features, the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Thanks for watching.